Hi, my name is Mary Russo. I'm a science teacher here at St. Louis U High, and this year I have the privilege of being able to use a brand new renovated science lab. All 6 of our spaces are lecture labs, 1,800 square feet like this one, or this couple of our spaces are as big as 2,000 square feet, which is pretty amazing. We've got the proper number of setups for our student-teacher ratio. We are right-sized for 24. With all new safety upgrades, of course, they're gonna do these things. We've got our safety shower and our eye wash. When you look at the classroom, we wanna set up a situation where the students, if need be, can face me, or if need be, can face each other. But they can do a little bit of flexing. The students should be able to move, they should be able to fidget a little bit. Even the tables are on casters, so we can go from this kind of a format to a lecture format, back to pods and vice versa. We also have the luxury of different projection points, and we've got now 5 different community projection points. I can now integrate with the students' iPads so they can put up their work